In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up navigation menus in HubSpot so you can create a clean, intuitive structure that helps visitors easily explore your website. Start by heading into your settings. Click the gear icon in the top navigation bar to open your settings panel. From the left sidebar, go to Content and then select Navigation Menus. This is your main area for managing all menus across your site. Now decide whether you want to edit an existing menu or create a new one. Use the Select a Menu drop-down to choose an existing menu or click Add Menu to create a new one. Give your menu a clear name so it's easy to manage later. Next, start adding menu items by clicking Add Menu Item. You'll see three options to choose from. Use page link when you want to link to a page within your HubSpot site like a landing page or blog post. Choose URL link if you want to direct users to an external page or a specific section within a page. Use non-link item when you want to create a parent label for drop-down menus without linking it anywhere. After adding items, organize your menu by dragging and rearranging them. Place the most important links at the top so they're easy for visitors to find. To create drop-downs, either drag a menu item slightly to the right under another item or use the Actions option to add a child item. This helps group related pages under one main category. Take a moment to review your structure and make sure everything flows logically for your users. Once you're satisfied, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up navigation menus in HubSpot, making your website easier to navigate and more user-friendly for your visitors.